Hello all, this is Sanjeev again with another fresh video. So I hope you like this video. So I hope you watched my series that I put in the data science that in my channel, right? So now let's move on to next video. And in this video we are just going to see a real-time scenario in which accordingly I read an article in Hindu, the Hindu part, the Indian newspaper, like the e-newspapers, right? So what specified to me is actually there was a deficiency of machine learning engineers around us. Even though the data science is being very growing domain, as you all know, but still it lacks some percentage of engineers that is being certainly required there to work in real-time projects. As per the data that they collected in the recent times, what they specify is mainly the major companies like Infosys, Wipro and all, what they do is they hire data scientists and they used to train them accordingly and work with them in particular data set. But when it comes to real-time scenario, a person is being always judged by the self projects that he has been made, right? So if a person is being studying, so and if he is keenly interested in data science candidate, right? So if he is doing this in bachelor's, so whenever this person approaches company, a particular company to whenever the particular person approaches a company to for the campus interview for the selection and all, so what they do is they also see their current projects that they have done and they judge them accordingly, and they just randomly recruit them. But what happens else is still it's been over and 3 years since the data science domain is being peak in India, right? But since the time it is being peak, still we are been deficient by 40% engineers. The stats that's been shown has been well, right? So the stats, I'll just share some of the stats with you so that it could give a clear vision to all of you. What I mean to say is there's been a development in data science and many people have been contributing towards data science and machine learning algorithms, etc. And many startups have today data analytics part and data analytics, even the department also specifically they hire people, they hire data scientists directly and afford to give them random packages like 1 lakh 2 lakh etc per month, right? But is they really valuable, or the candidates are really valuable, or the it's been so highly priced, so the people also expect a lot good output from the candidates or the engineers, right? Or the working people, professionals. But what we do is the real question. As you can always see around you, there's been a great jump over the internet, right? Many online offerings are being there on data science. Many of them are offering the courses like Coursera is being offering a specific course from deep learning in using PyTorch and all, and some of them are also targeting to many other courses like Udemy is also teaching you ML in data science from scratch. I'll give some of the courses in description box so that you can check it out there. But not only Udemy, Coursera, many of them like Upgrade is also been upcoming, or it's been a trending ones where people are situating towards the data science. And see, so what I mean to say is many of them are offering the courses, right? And people are also studying. But are they really value, or are they really judge, are they really capable enough to have so much high packages, to have so much high uh, to have so much salary hike, and to work in such a tough domain, right? Because it's not a very easy domain, and people are thinking that if they are having specific skill set and they are being just little knowledge always makes successful a person. But to how much extent you will survive with those knowledge, you need to be keep on updating, and you need to be contributing towards your companies. You need to be contributing towards the whole domain as a part. Individual cannot stand apart, right? So according to the data, as stats speak well than humans, right? So stats say that uh, recent report suggests that in India there is a 40% deficient of data science engineers, and still 60% of them are working in the IT professionals, IT companies. But they are not really high qualified, and they are not really highly even they don't know the shortest algorithm and the shortest some of the main points that has been covered in the basic or the beginner's course of the data science, right? So if see, India has been a growing country and it's full of engineers, but we should have, and many people are interested in this domain also. But the companies are also ready to pay you high packages. But it's the worth, and it's the candidate's wish, and it's the professional's wish that we should take care on the side, and we should learn it more properly. And and we together can make up more efficient data in science engineers, where we can plug out an external data that is being required by the companies, and we could serve them better. So right, so I just want to say my views. Actually, it's not sponsored by any other channel. It's not sponsored by any other upgrade and all like that companies also. But I just want to share my views. Like, data science is being a growing domain, as everyone knows, and our channel is also one specific to it. But the main concept is still 40% efficiency, still only 40% efficient, 60% is efficiency is prevails in India. So it's a very shocking news for me. Not only for me, it's been all such aspirants who want to pursue data science as their careers in their future. So what's your views on this video? Hopefully you liked it. Something I need to share, but stats always shows well, and and I hope this situation didn't prevail, and in future this situation will definitely improve, and we will contribute more amount of data scientists from our country, and by more means of efficiency and by more means of transparency, right? So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe button if you really like the channel and the stuff that I put, and do share with your friends if you really like, and that likes keep motivating me to push another videos. That's all for today. Thank you, Adam.